Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website preciouscatshop.com. I'm on the homepage. I really love the logo. It is small, but it's really easy to see, and indicates your products are within the animal niche, which is perfect. The top menu is nicely optimized. It doesn't take a lot of space, which is great for your above default area. The free shipping is additional benefit. I'll just link it to your shipping page. The slides and images look great. Make sure to link them to the relevant products. Obviously, it's better to include the picture of the product within the image, so it's kind of, it feels lost this image. So make sure to create a banner with your product image. Is much better for the conversion, much better for sales. And remember to link the image to the product page so people can click it and shop. The featured products look great. I would rename the SEO title to be more Google friendly, such as best-selling jewelry, best-selling phone accessories, and so on. So this is much more specific, and obviously linked to, it's much better to just show products from one collection. And remember, don't have all items on sale at the time, because otherwise it loses the deal loses the value, the deal loses the appeal. Only have about, maybe like 20% of products on sale at a time, and remember to return to the regular prices after that, so people can act upon the discount next time they see it. Also, $1 discount isn't that appealing. Think about giving at least 20-30%. If is percent off is much more appealing. The photo looks great. I would just reduce this area. It takes too much space. I would move those payment icons up and social media icons up. Reduce this text area as well, because it just takes a lot of space. However, you've got extra navigation here, and social media. Also remember to open those social media links in your tab so you don't lose valuable traffic from your own website. About Us page looks really good. You put a lot of effort into creating your pages, and I love the photo of yourself. I would move to the top, because having your own photo, it builds trust, it builds rapport with your customers, which translates into sales. So it will help you improve your conversion rate. So remember to move it to the top of the page. Shipping page has got plenty of information. I would just add the rate table. Even if you offer free shipping, make sure to specify that it's a worldwide shipping, so people can be assured that the shipping is in fact free and that you ship to their location. Also specify whether there is minimum order or not, and obviously how long is the delivery peak, because if you're drop shipping, people might also be interested how long is the delivery, whether the waiting time will be affected by the COVID-19 and so on. The product page looks great. I would just optimize the above default. As you can see, the add to cart isn't displayed above default, and the above default area is the area displayed on the screen without scrolling down. The best performing stores and the best converting stores like Amazon put all of this key info above default, so people don't have to scroll up and down to get to add to cart and buy. This is really bad for user experience, and this is bad for sales. So remember to move add to cart button right above the product description, below the price. So you've got product title, price, and then add to cart button. It will be much better for your conversion rate and for your sales. The SEO score is 41 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet is very vague. It's not optimized for conversion. So you repeat your URL and brand name twice. There's no need because Shopify shows the brand name in the meta title, and also best value for money is too vague. So you can add more specifics such as shop for animal themed jewelry or animal themed phone accessories and so on. So it gives more details for people who see your listing in Google. And also make sure to make the full use of the character allowance, 165 characters for meta description. So remember to optimize it to get more traffic. Also, your heading tags are not in the right order. You're missing H1 tag, which is the most important for Google. So remember to add it. It's usually assigned to the page title. So start from H1, then H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.